Now this question is jump game 2 and you are at index 0. Your nums of I is the maximum jump length from I and you want the maximum number of jumps to reach the last index. So the greedy solution treats it like a BFS over level, so each level is the set of indices reachable in k jumps. And why it works is because as you scan from left to right, the furthest tracks the best landing spot reachable from any index in that current level. So when I hits current end, you have seen every option at this level, so you must commit to one more jump and the new boundary becomes the furthest. So since you always extend to the maximum reach, no other choice of jumps could just do better. And the time complexity of this code will be O of n and the space complexity will be O of 1. And I'll just run you through this code line by line. So over here you will set jumps, your current end and your furthest all to 0. So jumps is the answer we are building. So how many zones, like how many zones have we gone, right? Then you have your current end, which is also set to 0, so the rightmost index of the zone we are currently walking through. Then you have your furthest, which is set to 0, so the best reach we have spotted so far while walking the current zone. Now you have a for loop, so for I in range length of nums minus 1, so we are walking every index left to right except the last one. So we stop one short because you never jumped from the destination. If we included it, I could have equal to the current end on the final index and jumps up an extra time for a jump we don't really need to take. So we are just going to stop one before. Then your furthest is the furthest of your max. Furthest is the max of your furthest itself and your nums of I, so the number plus the ith index. Now if I is equal to your current end, now this is a trigger. So reaching the right edge of the zone means that we have now inspected every stone inside it. So furthest is the final from this zone. So it also means that we can't step any further without another jump. So if I is not the edge, we skip this block entirely. So if I is equal to the current end, we add one more jump. So we pay for the jump we are now forced to take. Then your current end is equal to your furthest. So the new zone's right edge is the best reach we collected. And then at the end we just return jumps.